To find the present value of this annuity with the BA2 Plus calculator, we first need to switch on the calculator. Then you need to use the second FV to clear all the memory slot of the TVM worksheet. And then put 100 as the payment. And then 5% as the I over Y, which is the interest rate. And 5 as the number of year. And then CPT, the PV, to calculate the present value. In the end, you are going to get 432.95 as the present value of this annuity. The answer we have obtained from the calculator is the same as the answer we calculated before by summing the present equivalent value of the $100 from year 1 to year 5. Notice that there is another way to get the same answer with the calculator. To try this method, we first need to switch on the calculator and press CF to enter the cash flow function. So press second CE to clear the memory of the cash flow worksheet. Next, we'll press down. You will see C01. It will present the first set of cash flow. As you can see from the question, the first set of cash flow is 100, and it happened 5 times. You will enter 100, and then press enter. And then press down. You will see F01. It will present the frequency of the first set of cash flow. As you can see from the question, it happens 5 times, so we press 5, and then press enter. Because we want to calculate the present value of this cash flow, you will need to press the NPV key. Because the interest rate in this question is 5%, so I will equals to 5% and press enter. And then press down, you will see NPV. So because we want to find the present value for this problem, so we need to press CPT. We will get the same answer as before, 432.95. We will discuss how to calculate this problem manually with our next video. Thank you, that's all for today.